Economically, the sanctions we've imposed on Russia to end its aggression are having a powerful and also growing effect. Now, Moscow's been cherry picking economic data to support President Putin's insistence that everything is fine. The Russian economy is going strong. It's simply not true. The Kremlin says that global businesses haven't really pulled out of Russia. In fact, more than 1,000 foreign companies, representing assets and revenue equal to more than a third of Russia's GDP, have stopped operations in Russia. Many of Russia's best and brightest have left as well, including highly educated professionals in critical fields like energy and technology. They say that Russia is replacing lost imports from the West with imports from Asia. In fact, imports into Russia have dropped more than 50% this year. And imports from China, for example, aren't making up the difference in quantity or quality, especially for high-end components. What that also means is that Russia can't manufacture products for Russian citizens or for export and will increasingly lose markets overseas. They say that the government is running a budget surplus because of high energy prices. In fact, the budget is in deficit, and Russia can't spend the oil revenues it has acquired on the imports it wants because of sanctions. They say that the Kremlin has plenty of sovereign wealth. In fact, half of that money is frozen overseas. They say that domestic consumption is still strong in Russia. In fact, consumer spending has plummeted. They say that the ruble is the world's strongest performing currency. In fact, the currency market is controlled by the Kremlin. Russian households are restricted from converting rubles to dollars. The ruble is trading at a much lower volume than before the war. So, though the Kremlin is working hard to paint a picture of economic stability, the facts show otherwise. The powerful impact of sanctions will grow and compound over time. Though President Putin will likely claim that this war was a resounding success, the world can see that it has weakened Russia profoundly.